Are you chasing change but feeling more lost than ever? You're not alone. Many dive into self-improvement only to spiral into self-sabotage, and the warning signs are everywhere. Ignoring them could cost you dearly. As you scroll through social media, every post seems to promise a life-changing program or a transformative coach. You feel that pull, but what if these programs are leading you astray? You might wonder, what's the harm in trying? But beware, self-improvement can trap you in damaging cycles. It often begins with hope but can end in frustration, leaving you feeling inadequate as you pursue the next big breakthrough. Imagine investing in an exciting workshop, convinced it's the key to unlocking your potential. Yet, amidst the motivational speeches, a nagging doubt creeps in. What if you're just not meant for this? What if change is possible for you? This doubt is where the danger lies. It plants a seed in your mind, growing into a forest of fear and uncertainty. The more you chase an ideal version of yourself, the more you disconnect from who you truly are, neglecting your own needs and sacrificing well-being for someone else's vision of success. Here's the kicker: the relentless push for change can trap you in a cycle of disappointment. You feel like a hamster on a wheel, running faster but getting nowhere. Have you ever experienced this? Perhaps you tried a new diet or signed up for a fitness program only to quit when results did come fast enough. Each failed attempt weighs you down, deepening your self-doubt. Now, consider this: many so-called life coaches may be more interested in your wallet than your well-being. Consider the many so-called than your well, you will be your mom, you if you keep in your and they sell you the dream of transformation. But what happens when that dream shatters? The feeling of betrayal can leave you questioning your worth. So, what's the solution? It starts with awareness. Recognize those red flags before you get too deep. Ask yourself, are you pursuing change out of genuine desire, or is it driven by fear and comparison? Imagine stepping back and giving yourself permission to simply be. What if you shifted your focus from chasing perfection to embracing who you already are? That's where real transformation begins. Take a moment to reflect. Are you ready to break free from the cycle of self-sabotage? The journey to self-improvement can be beautiful, but it's crucial to navigate it with caution and self-compassion. Have you ever felt the pressure to improve and reach new heights, only to find yourself slipping back? You're not alone. Many life coaches grapple with a deeper, struggling, invisible battle in their pursuit of change. What if I told you that the journey towards self-improvement could become your biggest obstacle? Most people don't even realize it's happening. They become so fixated on their goals that they miss the warning signs right in front of them. Picture this: you're in a coaching session, full of energy and ready to make a difference. But then a nagging doubt creeps in. What if you're not really cut out for this? That doubt is just a fleeting insecurity. It's a signal that something more significant is at play, warning you that you might be falling into the psychological traps of self-improvement. When you push yourself to be better, you might end up ignoring your own needs, overlooking your exhaustion, neglecting your relationships, or even sacrificing your mental health. It feels admirable, right? But at what cost? Let's dig a little deeper. Imagine you've just wrapped up a hectic week of coaching. You're worn out, yet you find yourself scrolling through social media, watching your peers celebrate their successes. Instead of feeling happy for them, you experience that familiar pang of comparison. That's not motivation, it's self-sabotage in disguise. You might convince yourself, I just need to work harder. But what if that relentless drive is actually holding you back? Each late night and every skipped meal signals that you are drifting away from your true purpose. Now, here's where it gets serious. The more you chase that next level, the more you risk distancing yourself from the very reason you began this journey. It creates a vicious cycle that can lead to burnout and resentment. So, what can you do? Start by recognizing those signals. Listen to that inner voice. Are you feeling drained? Are your relationships suffering? That's your body telling you to take a step back. You don't have to pursue every change that comes your way. Sometimes, the most powerful action is to pause, reflect, and reconnect with your true self. As we wrap up, remember this: the journey of self-improvement should feel like a race. It's about personal growth, and it's perfectly okay to take your time. Don't let the pressure of change define your worth. If this resonates with you, take a moment to reflect on your journey. Are you chasing change, or are you embracing growth? It's a delicate balance, and recognizing those signals is the first step toward a healthier path. How many times have you felt on the brink of a breakthrough, only to find yourself back at square one? It's frustrating, right? In our quest for self-improvement, many of us unknowingly set ourselves up for setbacks. Have you noticed that the more you chase change, the more elusive it seems? You might think you're making strides, but something deeper could be holding you back. It's a curious contradiction. The very desire for improvement can sometimes lead to self-sabotage. Imagine this: you're excited about working with a new life coach, diving into your sessions with energy and hope. But then doubts creep in. You start questioning their advice, your commitment, and even your self-worth. This is when psychological pitfalls can sneak up on you. Many people overlook these warning signs, potentially sabotaging their progress without realizing it. Those late-night doubts and feelings of inadequacy stem from an internal struggle, and as you pursue your goals, you might inadvertently reinforce your fears. Picture yourself in a room full of motivated, optimistic people. Yet, deep down, you feel like an outsider. You push to keep up, but every step forward feels like two steps back. It's an exhausting